Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to reinstall NordVPN on your Android device. Reinstalling makes sure you're always running the latest version for the best performance and security. And before we start, if you don't already have NordVPN, check the description below for a special deal. 74% off plus 4 extra months, backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down and select Apps or Apps and Notifications. Depending on your phone model, you may also need to tap Manage Apps. Next, scroll through your list of apps or just use the search bar to find NordVPN. Once you see it, tap on it to open the app details. Inside the app details page, tap Uninstall. Confirm the deletion when prompted. This will completely remove the old version from your phone. Now, reinstall the latest version of NordVPN. The easiest way is to head over to the Google Play Store, search for NordVPN, and tap Install. You can also download it directly from the NordVPN website if you prefer. Once the app is installed, open it and log in with your Nord account. From there, you'll have the newest version ready to go with all the latest updates and features. And that's it. Reinstalling NordVPN on Android only takes a couple of minutes, and it keeps your app running smoothly with the latest improvements. Don't forget, you can grab NordVPN today with 74% off plus 4 free months using the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.